we need to use formula for integration by parts. So let me remind you this formula. When we have integral of f of x times g prime of x with respect to x, this is equal f of x times g of x minus integral of f prime of x times g of x with respect to x. So we need here multiplication. We have only cosine cube. So I will rewrite first our cosine cube to cosine square of x times cosine of x with respect to x. Now we have multiplication. To reduce this power, I will put that f of x is equal cosine square of x. So now when I take derivative, we will have f prime of x is equal 2 times cosine of x, and derivative of cosine is negative sine. So I will put this negative before 2 sine of x. Whatever left is our g prime, because we need this formula. We just put that f of x is equal x squared, so cosine x is left. This is our g prime. So now our g is equal sine of x. You can always check when you take derivative of sine is cosine. Exactly the same expression. So now we have to just substitute to our formula. We have this is equal. First we have f times g, so it will be cosine square of x times sine of x minus integral of f prime is negative 2 cosine of x sine of x times g. G is equal sine of x, and with respect to x, this is equal. We can rewrite this. This is cosine square of x sine of x. Negative and negative give us positive. We can put constant before integral, and we have cosine of x. Sine times sine is sine square of x with respect to x. So now I will use substitution method, and I will put that sine of x is equal u. Let me write this. We have u is equal sine of x. So du to dx is equal cosine of x. Now to find du, because when we do u substitution, we need to find du. We need to multiply both sides by dx. Dx and dx we can reduce, and we have that du is equal cosine dx. So now first we will solve this integral. Let me rewrite this here. We have integral, and I will put first sine square of x times cosine of x with respect to x. So this is equal. For sine, we have to put just u. So we have integral of u to second power because we have sine square. And cosine dx is equal du. So this is equal. We need to use integral of power function formula. So this is equal u to third power over 3 plus, of course, constant c when we have indefinite integral. So now we have to come back to our substitution. U is equal sine of x, so this is equal. I can put first 1 over 3 times sine to third power of x plus c. So our we will put now here. This is equal. The beginning we need to copy. We have cosine of 2x sine of x plus 2, and this part we have to just replace by 1/3 sine cube of x plus constant c. So this is equal. We have cosine square here. We know that sine square of x plus cosine square of x is equal 1. So cosine square of x will be equal 1 minus sine square of x. So now we can replace cosine square of x by 1 minus sine square of x. So this is equal. In parentheses we will have 1 minus sine of square of x times sine of x, and we have 2 times 1/3 is 2/3 sine cube of x. 2 times constant is still constant, so we can put c1. So this is equal. We have 1 times sine of x is sine of x, negative sine square of x times sine of x will be negative sine cube of x plus 2/3 sine cube of x plus c1. This is equal. Sine of x we need to copy, and we have like negative 1 sine cube of x plus 2/3, so will be negative 1/3 sine cube of x plus constant c1. This is my solution.